If you want to start using crazy domains, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do WordPress hosting in crazy domain. So before we start, keep in mind you'll need to purchase a hosting plan from crazy domains. A domain is also required, which can purchase from crazy domains or another registrar. Since I won't be able to show you the entire purchase process visually, listen carefully as I guided you to step by step. So first, open your browser and then go to crazydomains.com and then log in at the top right corner and enter your account credentials. So assumingly we already logged in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. In there, in the dashboard, click on web hosting and then by the way, take note that you'll need to purchase a WordPress hosting plan on WordPress. So if you haven't purchased a hosting plan yet, you should go to your web hosting on WordPress and purchase a plan. So select a WordPress hosting from the available options. You need to choose the plan that suits your needs based on the storage, performance, and number of websites you want to host. After that, proceed to checkout and complete the payment process. Once your hosting plan is active, return to the dashboard. Now, to set up WordPress on your hosting, in your crazy domain dashboard, assumingly we have already a domain in here, so go to services and under the services, go to web hosting, find your active hosting plan and click manage. In the hosting management page, look for the install WordPress option. And then after that, click install WordPress and follow those steps like choose protocols, like select something if you have an SSL certificate installed or if not. Then domain, select the domain you want to use for your web WordPress site, directory, admin username, admin password, and email. After that, click install and wait for the process to complete. You'll see a success message once WordPress is installed. After that, you can now access your WordPress site. Once the installation is complete, log in using the admin username and password you created during the installation and you can now start customizing your site. So after that, you'll need to set up SSL. So in the Crazy Domains dashboard, assuming Lee, navigate to Security and SSL certificates. If you purchase a SSL certificate, click Manage and install it on your domain. This will ensure your site is secure and uses. And that's it. That's how you set up WordPress hosting in Crazy Domains. I hope this guide helps you, even though I can show you the process visually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.